Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Yes, the new year is right around the corner. Literally, let's count down that clock here. So here we're showing you our New Year's Eve party bar cart. And this is so easy to put together, so glamorous. You've got your class, you've got your sass, you've got your family, your friends, and so much fun. So let's go ahead and start decorating. Starting with that background here, we're using our gold metallic foil fringe shiny curtain. It's 3 feet by 8 feet, so it's great because it comes with this kind of like double stick tape already on there. You're just gonna pull off that white tag and stick it right on the wall. I mean, how awesome is that? You literally don't need a stand, don't need anything else except your wall, and I know you have that. So just press it on there. Make sure that you actually put this on very close to the party because we did leave it overnight, about 24 hours or so, and it did fall down. So I do wanna warn you guys to make sure that you put this up a couple hours before your actual event. You know, we're super transparent here. We want your event to go seamlessly, and that is definitely a tip that I wanted to share with you. Now, I will say we're only using 2 for this look, but if you want that fullness and not like any kind of spacing in between the streamers there, you want to use like 4, or depending on how large your wall is, just make sure that you measure it out. And if you want that full kind of look there, make sure that you use more than just 1 for a layer. So here's our tool list of all the things that we're going to be needing, and remember, everything's going to be in the description below, so we have you covered. Some of these things actually come in a set, which is awesome. That way, you know, you get the set and you've got all your stuff. So let's go ahead, start decorating. Here is our 2-piece 7-inch and 11-inch tall gold and black metallic candle holders with crystal accents. I love this. So it really marries nicely with our straws that have that gold metallic look on it. Here are disposable glasses, so of course you don't have dishes at the end of the night, because who wants dishes at the end? You can chuck everything away when it comes to people actually drinking stuff. If you have some gold chocolates that are left over from the holiday or for Christmas, which who knows if chocolate's going to be left over, let's be real here. And here is one of our sets. This set is actually for your shots and of course adult shots. They come in a 16 pack along with the tray. In the back, all we did was we put a black pom-pom. We've got a couple of other flutes here that are disposable. Here is one of our LED Starlight Strings, and this is great. It is a little bit on the shorter side, so it's perfect for our bar cart here. And you're just gonna drape it on the side, on both sides actually, and it does have a little pack, so it obviously doesn't come with batteries, but you're gonna sneak it under that black pom-pom that we created at the back. Obviously, you can see the colors that we're using are the black and gold. You can use some things that are saving you some budget, and then other things that give that little splash of glam here. So speaking of glam, we wanted to use one of our black satin table runners on the bottom. It's got that like nice sheen to it, and it covers the bottom so not everything is all glass there, and of course goes with our color theme here. Once you kind of drape that on the bottom, then you can start putting out your alcoholic beverages in the center. Now, this specific bar cart that we purchased, we don't sell the bar cart. You can find it basically really any retail store, especially this time of year. So love these 2 side tall gold and black metallic votive candle holders with crystal accents. They're a 2-piece 11 inches tall, and they're different than the ones on the top. However, they're kind of from the same family, so it has kind of like that satiny black with the nice metallic gold here. Here's another one of our LED string lights here. This is actually one of our glow ball battery operated ones as well, and all you're going to do is basically on the satin table runner on the bottom, you're just going to lay it in a really fun, creative way. It doesn't have to be, you know, straight or anything. There are no rules when it comes to this, but you know, always having a nice pop of light, especially when it comes to something like New Year's, where there's going to be darkness and you have those little streams of light, it makes all the difference. Now, this is part of the pack as well. These are tassels, and our pack actually comes with black balloons. They don't come with the gold, I believe, but we do sell them separately as well. So all we did is we created all the tassels there. Yeah, you have to make them yourself. They don't come like that, but just, you know, spend the afternoon, do a little bit of DIY DIY or get some friends to help you with it. And all we did is we put it in the back to just add a little bit of decor and pop to this actual bar cart. So once that's done, then just add little accents here and there. Here we actually did some of our gold confetti, and here's the trick. All we did was we pulled one little string from the backdrop, cut them into little pieces, and voila, you are using your creativity and not having to buy something separate to make that look. Now we're going to be creating kind of a tassel balloon look. So all you're doing is you're just threading through a streamer there on a tassel that you created with the pack that came in the set and tying a little knot. Once that knot is on there, then you're gonna put it on the bottom of the balloon, tying it around, and then it'll look really, really nice with the actual balloon. Make sure that the balloon is big enough and blown up with enough helium that it's going to hold the tassel. Our first time, we didn't blow up the balloon big enough and the tassel was too heavy for the balloon. So make sure that you have enough helium in there. These are just little tips and tricks when you do it that you learn along the way, and we always like to pass that on to you. So once that's done, then you can start your balloon kind of framing of the actual bar cart there. And also, I want to make sure if you're not part of our family, please consider subscribing. Every single week we put up a video and really share our creativeness with you so you can use it in your own life, your own events, and that you are the talk of the town. So hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you'll be notified. We do how-tos, we do event decor videos just like this one. As you can see, everything coming together with our different heights, our different textures, you know, things that are disposable that you don't have to break the bank. And here is a perfect example of what it looks like in the light and dark. It's beautiful in both settings. You've got your alcohol, you've got your decor, you've got your family, your friends, and of course, don't drink and drive out there. Make sure you stay safe and have some fun on New Year's. We hope you guys have had a beautiful holiday, and we also wish you a happy, happy New Year, great abundance and adventure in 2019. And well, if you're watching this video later in the years, whatever year it is, Happy New Year. And we love you guys. Thank you so much for making this year such an amazing time for us. And we'll see you guys next time.